print-on-demand products. The Gateway custom product platform makes it easy for you to sell these type of products online. And what I'm going to do is walk you quickly through the type of products and the options for creating them. So I'm not going to concentrate too much on this today, but everything starts life with a customizable product. So a customizable product is in essence a blank product that you can decorate. So we have on our system thousands and thousands of customizable products from Dropship suppliers. So if you're a retailer wanting to sell personalized or pre-designed products or print-on-demand products, we can also put you in touch with a global fulfillment network. So once you've got your customizable product, whether you're making it yourself or using a Dropship supplier, you can create a pre-design. Now let me show you what a pre-design is. So in this case, you're probably all familiar with the Mr. Men, certainly those of you from the UK, maybe not some of our international friends. But in essence, this is a popular design and it simply allows you to type in, and you can see I've typed in lowercase there and it's putting it on uppercase. So this is what you call a pre-design. So you add a design to an existing product and it enables you to customize part of it. So the other type of product we talk about is what we call a print-on-demand product. So this is, in this case, it's a collection of rare birds. But as you click on the different birds, it just looks like a normal website. The difference, as the name suggests, is obviously that it is print on demand. So this picture of a rare bird here, if I simply choose the size of print I want and hit add to cart, there's no stock of that product anywhere. It simply creates a print job on the Gateway custom product platform and allows a fulfiller to print it. So I'll show you in a bit how you set up a print on demand product too. You can then take it slightly further, in this case where you might want to create a gift. So the concept here is that you've got a fixed design and it loads that fixed design then onto a product or a range of products. So in this case, it's loading it onto a phone case. And then if we chose a different kind of phone, it will load that image onto that phone too. So it's taking these images and applying it to a range of different products. So they're the three core types of product, really. A pre-design or personalized product, a print-on-demand product, and a gallery-based print-on-demand product. So if I go back to my blog, and I'll share this blog with you, if you just went to gateway3d.com and look at options for creating customized, personalized, and on-demand products, you will find the blog. And the blog has links to further information. So on a pre-design, like our Mr. Men mug, you can simply create it from an existing product. So let me show you an example here. So here's an existing product on the system that's plain. Now, this allows us to create something without any artwork skills. So in this case, I'm just going to add an image to this bag and I'm going to use the thing there. So let's, I don't know, say if I was into golf, I type in the word golf on here and there's all sorts of hundreds and hundreds of different designs that you can choose. So I'll just go and grab one of them. Minimize that, and then I could add some text. So add name, which would allow the user, so we can drag around and create that. So in a very simple way now, I've created a pre-designed product like that Mr. Men mug we looked at earlier. I've added an image, the text would be variable, and if I were to hit save now, it will publish this, and if we're using the auto import routine, it would allow us to put it straight on a website. So creating a pre-design is as easy as that. Then if we go back into the system, we can, if we've got artwork set up for things like greetings cards, we can upload the artwork onto an existing product rather than use the simple editor I was just using. Or we've even got the option here to use a layered PSD file and upload that to create the product. So that's a pre-designed product. If we then look more into print on demand, and we have two ways of doing print on demand. We've got a bulk creation tool, and then we've got the visualizer stroke sample manager that allows us to create a product. So let's take a quick look at those as a concept. So we have two ways. We can either have, if we look at Amazon now, so these are all Supermen t-shirts that I typed into Amazon earlier. None of these will actually exist in stock on the shelf. They're all printed on demand. So we can use our bulk creation tool. We just go into the system. And you see here I've used an Aztec design, and we can apply that design to any number of products at once. So if we wanted to create our Superman t-shirt, we could take the Superman logo and apply it to 100 products at once, and then publish all of those products onto our website, onto Amazon. They just look like a normal e-commerce product, but when the order comes in, it creates a print job and either allows you to print it in your own factory or send it to a dropship supplier anywhere around the world. So similar concept, and obviously if we wanted to create a one-off product, I don't have to add text on here. I only added it to show you on a pre-design. So if I wanted to, add a different image, so maybe add the image from my desktop instead. So I don't know, if I'm in the corporate industry, let's add the BT logo instead. So instead of that, it would add the BT logo to a range of products. Hit save, and then again, that would allow that product to be published onto multiple websites. And it's sort of as easy as that. I've tried to keep the presentation simple today. If we want to, we can go into a lot more detail and look at all the different complex options we have to say whether the text can be bent, what fonts can be used, what colors, masking image areas. So we can do a whole range of complex, but I wanted to show you the principle of simple tool where a non-artwork person can create pre-designs or fixed designs. And then I guess the other option we've got, they can be static on a website like Amazon, or they can go into an option like this, and then you can change the color. So that's a fixed design, but it allows you to change the color and select the size. So those are the different options that we have for creating print-on-demand products, pre-designed products, and obviously the base of everything, which is a customizable product. So thanks for listening to the webinar. More information you can get on gateway3d.com.